Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting prerequisites done fast. Install Bloxstrap and confirm it's the newest build so optimizations apply. Next, update your GPU drivers and set Windows Power Plan to high performance to avoid CPU downclocking. Close heavy background apps like Discord and browsers to free RAM and CPU cycles. You want at least 30% headroom. Once done, launch Bloxstrap, pick the optimized Roblox client option, and proceed to the next configuration stage for frame and latency tuning. Now you perform precise performance tweaks inside Bloxstrap and Windows. Enable FPS boost and uncapped frame settings so the client won't artificially cap your output. Set render resolution scale between 0, 8 and 1, 0 to balance clarity and frames, and turn VSync off to reduce input lag. In Task Manager, set Roblox process priority to high, and in your GPU control panel, force the game to use the dedicated GPU. Once these changes are applied, test a quick match to verify stable frame behavior. Finish by optimizing network settings for low ping. Prefer wired Ethernet or a clean 5 GHz Wi-Fi channel, and disable VPNs or proxies that add latency. Limit background uploads and enable router co-s to prioritize Roblox ports. Make sure UPnP is enabled or forward-needed ports. After applying both performance and network changes, run a few matches to confirm high FPS and low ping. If you see latency spikes, flush your DNS, renew your IP, and restart the modem. Repeat once if necessary as a key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.